Now at 11 on Monday, a Hamden officer is expected to face a judge after a 6-month investigation. State police recently arrested Devin Eaton. Investigators say he fired 13 shots at an unarmed couple after following them into New Haven. Channel 3's Shante Passmore explains the charges that the officer is facing. Shante.
Eaton is facing 1 count of assault in the first degree and 2 counts of reckless endangerment. With these charges, it appears his job is also on the line.
Sworn to uphold the law, Hamden officer Devin Eaton is now facing it. Tonight, he's out on bail. Body cam and surveillance video shows the 29-year-old's encounter with driver Paul Witherspoon and his girlfriend Stephanie Washington. The April encounter began when Eaton believed the car was involved in an attempted armed robbery. He crossed into New Haven, firing 13 shots, 8 before Yale officer Terrence Pollock even fired his first shot. Eaton told investigators he believed Witherspoon had a gun, but the New Haven State's Attorney's Office raised questions through its findings by saying even if an argument can be made that the first shot was reasonable, believing Witherspoon had a gun, it was not reasonable to continue shooting when he retreated, never returned fire, and moved towards the passenger side, still shooting knowing someone was sitting there. Washington did suffer injuries. As for Yale officer Pollock, the report cleared him, saying his use of force was justified, believing Eaton and Witherspoon were exchanging gunfire. During the incident, one of Eaton's bullets grazed Pollock. Throughout the state's investigation, Eaton remained on administrative leave. But once arrested and charged, he's no longer on the payroll. Channel 3 learned Hamden's acting police chief is expected to have a recommendation to the police commission to decide Eaton's fate, whether it be some form of discipline or be fired. Eaton's defense lawyers sat down with Eyewitness News to say these actions send an alarming message that officers need to be 100% right 100% of the time or risk facing charges. His client is scheduled to appear in New Haven Superior Court Monday.
You just heard the investigation cleared the Yale officer, but critics say Eaton's criminal charges are not enough. Since the police shooting, we've covered many demonstrations. Tomorrow, we're expecting another one, calling for both officers to be fired. In the newsroom, Shante Passmore, Channel 3, Eyewitness News.